You wanna say hi
Oh, yeah.
to the Japanese people?
Hello from Canada. It's another day out here in the wonderful southern Alberta.
Yep. The cows go first, then the horses or cars, eh?
Exactly, yeah. Here I am in an iron horse.
There we go.
Being lazy today.
It's Sunday today.
Yeah, my day off.
Do you mind if I put on the Facebook or something?
No, go ahead. You can post me too.
Okay. Do you know me?
Yeah, we're friends on Facebook.
Oh, okay.
I live right up here, just below the Clifford place.
I fixed your fence line a couple years ago.
Yeah,
Oh, you are
Kyle.
Kyle, yeah. You are Chad's good best friend, right?
That's a good buddy. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, now I know.
Yeah, 100%. Stop by, say hi sometime.
Yes, sir.
100%. Post it up. That'd be good.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, on over here. Yeah.
Bye now.